This is the SHARDOR coffee grinder. Now I got the one with the 2 bowls. You've got 1 bowl with 2 blades for dry ingredients. I use it for coffee. And then another bowl with 4 blades, and that is for wet ingredients. Now I actually bought this because I'm starting to make cold brew at home, and I have a cold brewer that needed a coarse ground coffee. It also comes with a little measuring cup and a brush to brush out and clean. Okay, so we're gonna make some ground coffee. That's a locking clear top. The bowl just sits right in it, kind of wiggles, and it's unlock, which you can see on here, and lock. So now once it's locked, it does not move. Add a little coffee. See how much coffee I have in there. Now, with the cold brew, you actually need it on coarse. Let me pull this up here for you. Okay, so you've got coarse, mid, and then fine. You can press this button and pulse it, or you can press it down, release it, and it will automatically go for the time. These are seconds right here. It will go for the full amount of time depending on which grind level you need. So I need coarse, and we'll actually see what it sounds like. Now we've got coarse ground coffee. For a quiet coffee grinder with different dial amounts for the type of coffee grounds you need, and a bonus wet one, great. If not, they have one with just 1 bowl for dry ingredients. You're good to go.